There are lots of reasons that you need to trim or prune a tree, and actually it's one of my favorite jobs in the garden. Now, this particular tulip tree, it has a mind of its own like so many trees. Up here, unfortunately, there's a dead branch, and I'm going to get to that in just a little while. But there are a lot of branches that cross over, and that's really not very good for the tree. I removed this one a little bit earlier so that I could get to this long branch. Now, I have already removed some of the weight out here, and I also cut it into 3-foot lengths because in my area we don't have collection right at the curb. We have to do it in bundles, and then it's picked up for recycling. Now, one of the reasons you want to reduce that weight is when you get to this point, you don't want the weight hanging on the limb, because when you make your final cut close to the trunk, you want to make sure it's nice and clean, and if you have that weight holding it down, it's going to have a tendency to pull the branch, and that might cause it to tear. Tearing leads to disease, and what you want is a healthy tree.